Now we are going to study current setting. So basically I have drawn here the diagram of coordination of relay and circuit breaker. So simply what it says is, let us assume this 5 Newton torque has been applied to operating as an operating torque, and 5 Newton torque has been restraining torque. So initially both the torques are equal and this is no operating condition. This is no normally open case. So now guys says, if we do not want to change the operating time corresponding to 5 Newton, basically what I'm saying, it's important, corresponding to 5 Newton there would be have some operating time. So corresponding to that 5 Newton time, that will be the operating time. So we do not want to change those value, but we want to change the pickup value of current. So basically what is pickup current? If this is 5 Newton, so this is 5 ampere. So if this secondary will be greater than 5 ampere, so that would be pickup current for this relay, means the minimum amount of current above which if the relay operate, so that amount of current will be called as pickup current. So now 5 Newton force has been applied in this direction and 5 Newton has been applied in restoring like this direction. So now basically what is happening, if you want to change the I pickup, so we know that the MMF will always constant. If you do not want to change the time, means torque should be constant. Torque means the flux should be constant, and flux means the MMF of the core would be constant, means N1 of I pickup 1 is equal to N2 of I pickup 2. So N1, let us assume N1 is 500 and I pickup 1 is, let us assume, 5, and we want to change this. So this N2 will be equal to, 400. So N2 is equal to 400, means if we want to increase the pickup current, if we want to increase the I pickup, so we need to decrease this number of turn ratio. Means here now I am going to give the tap to this core, this winding basically. So let us assume this is 100%, means I pickup 1 is equal to I pickup 1 here is I pickup 1 is equal to 5 ampere correspondingly. So if we want to change the pickup current to 6.25 means if you want to increase the 25%, means 125%. So if that will be 125% means we have to decrease the turn ratio, means this would be 125% and this would be 150%, and this would be 100%, and this would be 50%, and this would be 0%. So now see guys carefully that this tab, let us assume this is 5 ampere. If you want to change the pickup current to 6.25, then we have to give to this position, and if we want to change at 7.5, so we have to apply to this, because number of turn is like here it is coming and here from here it will return. So number of turn is minimum for here. So this is the concept of current setting. Means if you will see in the diagram, then the initial winding will not shown. What you will see is that this would be 100, this will be the tap. If you will increase this, if you will apply this, so current will be 6.25. if you will apply, if you will connect to this, then pickup current would be 7.5. So this is all about the concept of current setting. Thank you.